Hashtag just another day in paradise in this Siesta Beach Modern home. 1 mile, 1.5-minute drive, to Siesta Key Public Beach. Located in a desirable private enclave of 11 homes within 15 minutes from downtown Sarasota. Perfect private setting for the installation of a pool. Open concept floor plan with sun-filled vaulted great room. Elevated home with flood insurance of only $500 per year. Enjoy a large 520 SF deck with pergola and attached screened porch overlooking the tropical foliage canopy. Solid bamboo hardwood flooring throughout. Dressed with matching rift-cut oak vanities, bathroom doors and patio door privacy sliders. Renovated. Bathrooms with walk-in shower, frameless glass, rainfall and handheld shower, timeless white stacked ceramic tile and porcelain faux French limestone flooring. Lutron soft touch dimmers throughout. Cable rail banister. Thermidor range with induction cooktop. Solid brass landscape lighting with magnetic transformer. 4-zone irrigation. 28 recessed lights. Low maintenance, drought-tolerant Asiatic jasmine landscaping with gray rock bordered paver walkways. Fenced backyard. 26-foot. Irrigated planter with uplighting. Entertainment center with built-in remote control gas fireplace, shelving and rear channel. JBL surround sound speakers. Oversized garage with cabinetry. Long-lasting metal roof. Unfinished lower level perfect for